Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is August 14, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up $7.75 to $28.33.5 per contract. All in all, futures are a bit higher. They definitely were weak yesterday. We'll see what this market brings today. Right now, we are looking at pretty light volume, but this is an options expiration week. Friday will be options expiration for the month of August, so we could see some shaking and baking in some of the popular names. So we'll see how that plays out. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We're going to start with the first one, which is Home Depot. Ticker symbol is HD. The stock right now is trading at $198.28, closed at $194.12. So this is a good little pop for Home Depot. All in all, when I look at the stock right now, there's still a lot of resistance levels in play here. But nonetheless, stock is acting well, and we want to give it the benefit of the doubt as long as we can. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. There doesn't seem to be much to do right here at the moment. So again, we'll be watching Home Depot. Also keep Lowe's on the radar. That could be playing out in sympathy. Lowe's is catching a little bit of a bid. This closed at $97.09, now trading at $98.55. So again, got Home Depot and Lowe's in play off the back of Home Depot earnings. Let's take a look at Advanced Autoparts. AAP is the ticker symbol here. This stock is trading at $153.49, closed at $144.84. So again, another nice move here for a company reporting earnings. All in all, when I look at Advanced Auto Parts, I have to think around this general range, 153 to 154, we're probably smacking up against a little resistance. After this, the stock can actually go much higher and potentially head back up to the 157, 158 level. So we'll see how it plays out right now. Not a whole lot to do. If you own this, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd leave it alone at the moment. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Tapestry. Ticker symbol is TPR. Stock right now is trading at $50.20. All in all, when I look at this name, the stock closed at $47.46. You're getting a nice little pop there. Again, around the $50 area, generally right where it's trading. I have to think you're probably running into some minor resistance. Watch for more resistance right around $52.75 to $53. There's a big gap fill up there, so you want to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at Yum Brands China. Ticker symbol is YUMC. Right now, this stock is trading at $36.50. It looks like there's more reports coming out that a private equity group wants to take over Yum Brands China. Right now, the stock is trading at $36.50. That's up from $34.22, which was the close yesterday. Let's go over to YY. Looks like this stock is trading down a bit, closed at $87.67. They reported earnings. You can see the big sell-off went down to $78. Now rebounding back up to $82.50. So we'll keep an eye on this. Again, there is a little bit of support around the $69 area if it does trade sharply lower, but right now it has rebounded back up, so it's only down about $5 from yesterday's close, but we'll keep it on the radar. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here in YY at the moment, but we'll see where it goes. If it can sell off, I will have levels ready for this to be played. So again, we'll see how this plays out, but right now it is rebounding off of the lows made in the after hours yesterday. Let's go over to BZUN. And this stock right now also reported earnings. This company right now is trading at 55.25. Had a little brief sell-off yesterday or this morning, and now it has rebounded back up. So again, this stock closed at 52.72. This is Biozun. Right now trading at 55.25. So decent little pop up, and we'll see where it goes. There's a lot of resistance around the 59 level. If it gets there, I'm not sure that happens, but if it does. Let's take a look at VIPS, which is VIP Shop. Stock right now is trading at $8, closed at $9 and a penny. There definitely is some support down here at $8, but I'm just not sure I want to do much with this name right now. I'm not a fan of the single-digit names, but nonetheless, this is a Chinese ADR, so we'll keep it on the radar and we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at CSIQ, which is Canadian Solar. This right now is trading at around $12.12, down from $13.58. So this is a good haircut here. The only level I'm seeing is around 1150. There could be a little bit of a play there. We'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at WCH. SWCH. This is Switch. Stock traded at yesterday closed at $13.98 and now trading at $10.89. This is a new issue. Just came public in November of 2017, so it hasn't even been around a year, and it is falling pretty sharply today. So again, I'd be careful with it. There are no levels I could give you on this new issue, and we'll have to wait and see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. All right, looking over at the gold market. Gold is rebounding a little bit today, up $4.70 to $1,203 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD this morning. You'll see that is trading at around 113.24, closed at 112.96. That means the dollar is pulling back today. The dollar down about 50 cents at the moment. This is the U.S. dollar index. You can see that has pulled in a little bit. And again, we'll be watching the dollar very, very closely going forward. Looking over at crude oil this morning, we have crude oil up 91 cents to $68.11 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil, that's trading at $14.18, up from the $14.01 close from yesterday. So oil's getting a bid. Gold is getting a bid. The dollar is down a little bit, and we'll see where we go. Looks like we have bond yields basically flat right now at 2.88%. So we're not going to make too much out of it there. Looks like Italian bond yields have fallen a bit, and that is helping out the markets today. But these markets are in very, very turbulent and choppy waters right now. So sit tight. We'll see what we get. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. We get volume, we get volatility, we get lots and lots of action, and that's the bottom line. If you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.